2016. We also woke up to a low temperature of 3 degrees in Central Park. You have to go back 3 years to find a temp as cold. You have to go all the way back to 2019 to see an actual air temperature colder. So this is brutally cold. And I know at this point in our cold snap, you're probably getting cold weather messaging fatigue, right? Every day we've said dangerous cold, you got to take care of yourself, stay indoors. But this is the coldest that we've seen of this long cold stretch. So please just limit that time outside if you can today. Looking at actual air temperature for our northern neighborhoods, we're still 3 below zero. In Liberty, again, that's actual air temperature. We're at 5 in Cold Spring and Katona, Nyack at 6, same for Tenafly, Stanford at 6 degrees as well. Danbury is still sub-zero. 5 in the Park and Islip, 7 in Belmar. Factor in the wind, it feels so much worse. 21 below zero is the wind chill right now in Monticello. You can see frostbite become a possibility in about 20 minutes with wind chill of that magnitude. In the Park, 12 below zero, but we're close to 20 below zero for the wind chill in White Plains right now, and about 14 below zero in Belmar. Dangerously cold conditions. It really doesn't matter how many layers you put on with wind chill this brutal. It's right to the bone, right? You can't really outdress numbers this cold. And with the wind still gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour, it whisks away any bit of that body heat that your body does produce. So it's really hard to regulate your own temperature, which is why we're just saying stay indoors as much as possible. Wind planner today shows gusts continuing 30 to 35 miles per hour. We'll taper off that wind speed a bit heading into tomorrow, so some relief there. And although our gusts aren't quite as intense as they were yesterday, it's still blustery enough to make a big difference in how it feels. So putting wind chill future cast into play, you see sub-zero wind chill through the bulk of the daylight hours into late afternoon. By 2 or 3 in the city, we might be at 2 or 3 degrees, but once the sun sets, again for wind chill, once the sun sets, we're right back to sub-zero wind chill across the area into tomorrow morning. So the frigid feel continues into Monday, and then finally some relief moving into the middle of the week. Today, an extreme cold warning until 1 p.m. Then it becomes a cold weather advisory. Just another reminder that you want to keep it indoors as much as possible. Satellite and radar clear and quiet. So a lot of sunshine out your window today, but it's deceptive because it does nothing to warm temperatures up. Our actual air temp climbs to the teens today, but at no point will we feel like teens. Sunny skies, that frigid breeze, that takes us into tonight with the clear sky continuing into tomorrow. Today's forecast high is 17. It will feel sub-zero or single digits with that frigid wind. It's the reason for the AccuWeather alert, just the dangerously cold conditions. Then tonight, a clear sky, lows in the single digits. It will feel sub-zero. That's where we start Monday morning, where we finally start to trend in the right direction. Tomorrow's high of 31 is going to feel like big relief as compared to today. But keep in mind, this is, well, first and foremost, still sub-freezing, and number 2, still 10 degrees below normal, but it won't feel quite as harsh. We continue the trend into Tuesday, and then check out Wednesday. Forecast high of 41. That will be the warmest high temperature since January 20th.